Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my night skincare routine. So I'll be showing you like the step-by-step process of how I do my nighttime routine. You know, anything about skincare, you have to be careful. There are some products for morning skincare, there are some products you apply like sunscreen, and for night you don't have to use sunscreen because you're not going out, it's night. Alright, so that's what I'll be showing you, like the step-by-step process of how I do my night skincare routine. So make sure you sit back, relax, watch this video and watch it to the end. But before we get into the video, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm Anita Akoja. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I create videos and content on skincare, hair care, and jobs. You want to be successful, you want to glow and grow your income. This is the right channel for you. All right, if you find any of this content and topic interesting, then please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments for me in the comment section, and also share this video. Thank you all for watching. So let's dive straight into the video. So I'll show you how to, first thing, what I do after I'm done with everything. I'm done with my makeup for the day, I'm done with my activities and everything for the day. Next is just to clean everything. So I need to clean my makeup first before going to wash, to have my bath and to wash and apply my nighttime routine, my night skincare routine. So first thing I do, is to clean this makeup. This makeup needs to go, it has to go. All right, so what I do, I use my facial wipes. Yes, this is vitamin C facial wipes. This is my vitamin C facial wipes. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm going to use it to clean my makeup first before going to wash. Watch this video and watch it to the end so that you see the step-by-step process. So first, let me start by cleaning it. Let me clean it first. Then once I'm done cleaning, see how dirty it is, like the makeup. Make sure everything goes off. So I'm going to still wash with water, so I just need to clean this with this first before I wash with water. Okay, so clean up everything. So if one wipes is not okay for you, you can use like 2 or 3 depending on how clean your face is. For me, this is fine, this is okay. So the next thing to do is go and wash my face with soap and water. Make sure everything is clean completely. After cleaning with the wipe, I need to still wash my face with soap and water. So come with me, let's go. So the first thing I do is to apply my bathing soap on my face and leave it for 5 minutes before I wash. In case you're wondering which soap I'm using Fresh Glow soap. Yeah, because it's not harsh, it's soft and it's kind to my skin. So I apply it first then wait before I wash. So the next thing I do is to exfoliate my skin with tea tree facial scrub. So I usually do this twice a week for best results. So if you have any other facial scrub that you have that you're using, you can as well use it, for your nighttime routine. It's very good. It gives you a clear, glowy and fresh skin. Make sure you exfoliate and scrub in circular motion for deep penetration and to clear all your pores. Once I'm done, I wait for 30 minutes before I wash. Now that I'm done exfoliating my skin, it's now time for me to have my full bath and clean up properly and completely before applying my night cream. after dapping my face, it's now time for me to apply my nighttime cream. So I'm using Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Night Cream. And this is just for my face only because it's a face cream and not a body cream. So when I'm applying the face cream, I don't just apply only on my face, I also apply on my ear, behind my ear, and also my neck area so that everything blends evenly. It's now time for me to apply my body lotion. I'm using Nivea Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care. And this is just on my body only and not on my face. Lastly, I'm applying my hand cream. So this is just for my hand only and not on my body. I'm using Zola Beauty Wonder Hand. It's a moisturizing hand cream. It softens your hand and makes it fresh and smooth, and trust me, it smells so good. If you enjoy watching this video, then you will also enjoy watching my skincare routine playlist. Kindly watch this playlist on the left for more skincare routine videos. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja, and I'll see you on the next one.